In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Earn. Start by opening the Binance app and logging into your account. Make sure you're on the latest version so the menus match what you see here. From the home screen, head to the Earn section. If you don't see it right away, tap More, then tap Earn. Inside Earn, open Simple Earn. This is the place where you can put your idle crypto to work in a straightforward way without needing to trade or manage complex strategies. Next, choose the crypto you want to use. You can select from options like USDT, BTC, or BNB. Think about what you already hold and the kind of exposure you want. A stablecoin like USDT usually offers steadier returns with less price volatility, while BTC and BNB expose you to market movements, which can go up or down. Pick the coin that aligns with your comfort level and goals. Before you commit, check the APR or APY shown for that coin. APR is the annual percentage rate without compounding, while APY includes the effect of compounding over the year. These figures can change over time and are not guaranteed, so treat them as current estimates. It's a good idea to read any notes on the product page so you understand how rewards are calculated and when they're distributed. Now choose the type of product. Flexible means you can withdraw anytime. It's designed for maximum accessibility, but it typically offers lower profit. Locked means you commit your funds for a set period, usually between 7 and 120 days. In return for that commitment, the potential profit is higher. Pick a lock duration that you're comfortable with. During the lock, you generally won't be able to access those funds until the period ends. When you're ready, tap subscribe. Enter the amount you want to allocate. You'll see your available balance for that coin, so make sure the amount fits within what you have on hand. Double-check the details, including the coin, the type, flexible or locked, and, if locked, the exact number of days. When everything looks good, tap Confirm to complete your subscription. From here, you start earning automatically. With flexible, rewards typically accrue daily and show up regularly in your Earn section. With locked, rewards are calculated over the lock period and become available at the end of the term. You can return to the Simple Earn area anytime to view your active subscriptions and track your progress. That's it. You've successfully used Binance Earn by navigating to Simple Earn, choosing your crypto, reviewing the rate, selecting flexible or locked, subscribing with an amount, and letting the rewards begin. Always review the terms and remember that rates and market conditions can change.